Okay, no good deed goes unpunished, and I'm definitely being punished right now. It is end of day. I'm walking out of the door. They requested that I do a quick oil change on this Jeep Wrangler right here. It's a 20... I don't even know what year. Yeah, 2009. Powered by a 3.8 liter minivan motor. Anyway, so I'm down here and ended up doing it on the ground because all the stalls are full and everybody's super busy. And I wasn't gonna record this, it was just an oil change, you know. And I get back here to the drain plug and I find that it's all chewed up and destroyed and damaged and worn away. I attempted, and I will attempt one more time just to prove my theory, to get this plug off with some angry and frustrated pliers, and I'm failing in my endeavors. So I'm gonna have to escalate this situation quite drastically in order to get this drain plug out. Okay, so just to prove out the scenario here, I'm gonna reapply the frustrated pliers, and I'm gonna try it one more time to get this plug out before escalation level 6 begins. I don't know what the first few levels are, but we're on number 6. Never fails. As soon as I turn the camera on, the phone rings. Yeah, and that's not happening. It's slipping right off. I'm just tearing away more metal at this point. So now I need to escalate. And seeing as how there is metal missing from the drain plug, I'm just going to have to add some to it. Get that out of the way. Come on, welder. Let's try that again without running the cord over with the wheels. Come on, welder. Oh, this thing doesn't turn. There we go. Now we're stuck. Put it in 4 low. And gas on. Okay, let's see how this is gonna work out here. Doing this about the hardest way possible, but it's got to be done. Let's see, that's gonna go right there. I'll turn it sideways for better grounding contact. Now I brought down 2 nuts with me. Whichever one fits the best, that's the one I'm gonna go with. I think that one not so much. Let's try this bigger one here. Yeah, that one doesn't fit either. Well, let me go find one more nut. I want a bigger one. All right, that was loud. I'm coming back. Let's see if this one right here fits. Yeah, that's much more better. Oh, hit you guys in the face with my nuts. Okay, let's try that right there. That's good. Okay. More loud noises. I'll use the wrench to hold it so I don't burn my fingies. And we're gonna do some black magic action here. All right, so the way we're gonna do this is I'm gonna use this wrench to hold on this nut to that drain plug, tack it on, and then weld the crap out of it. You guys ready? Engage safety squints now. That beat doesn't sound good. Turn down my wire speed. Thank you. Thank you, drain plug. Ooh, a Dorman one, guaranteed to strip. Nice. Yeah, there's my new one. But I still have to get the old one out. So, continuing to melt metal. Do one more over here. And another one just for fun. Or not. Oh, short-circuited. Stop it. That's not what I want. Ah! Whatever, that's enough. Let's go ahead and break this loose. Or break it off. That was a giant failure. Okay, more welding. I never made it into the nut. A lot of buildup on the drain plug, but not much into the nut. Okay, now see if this is gonna come loose. No, that was a big failure. What? Okay, let's try again. Wrench and repeat. Okay, next attempt going to be a failure. Oh, that's hot. Okay, not getting good penetration into the actual drain plug there. That's a little weird. Alright, need more nuts. Okay, let's try this castle nut for a ball joint next. I think this came off of that red Mustang when I welded the ball joints to. There. And that can go there to hold it. Now, I didn't get as deep a penetration as I wanted, so I turned up the welder a little bit. I'm going to go a little harder this next time. I want to get it as deep as possible. And I want to hold it there for as long as possible. Stop it. I bet my extension cord is like smoking hot right now. Alright, let's try this one. Release. Holy smokes, that thing's tight. Ah ha ha. Victory is mine. So you just had to apply the right size nuts. Alright, now let's move you guys over here. Fetch this drain plug pan, duck pan. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. No way. It's a quick way to lose your fingerprints. Yeah, I know. Comments. You ruined the berries. It's melting my drain pan. I better shake that oil around so it doesn't burn a hole through the pan. There we go. That's better. Okay. Let's let this drain. I'll throw a new plug in it and we're off to the races. Yep, still draining. Okay, an adequate amount of time has passed. We have drained the majority of all the engine lubricant, and it is now time to seal it back up. I don't think I brought a wrench that fits this, so I'm gonna have to find back out again. All right, let's see here. I think it's 17. Yeah. No, it's a 16. I better switch before I end up in the same position that I started in. You know, what bothers me the most about this is someone put that drain plug in with the threads all chewed up like that. That's the worst part. Click. Okay, let's gather my wrenches and my nuts. We're gonna get out of here, fill this thing up, and move it to the finished, completed park section of the parking lot, because I gotta go. I think that's about gonna do it for this video. It's just an oil change after all, and I'm not gonna keep you guys longer than you want to be here. You saw the good part, and I guess that's what matters. Here, wipe that down too. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this short little video. Certainly appreciate it. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please let me know by tapping that like button. If you didn't like it, please let me know about that in the comment section down below. So again, thanks for watching. And most importantly, don't forget to have a great day. See you guys later. Oh, let's get out of here. Oh no, my camera mount fell off. All right. Ugh. See, first we start off slow. Oh, one-handed. Doing it one-handed. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm losing it. Losing control. Gosh. Fail. That was a fail. See what I get for showing off? Went from hero to zero real quick. Loser. Engine oil installation complete. not exactly pointed the right way, but I find that acceptable. But barely. Nice and shiny. Ooh, that doesn't go there. That goes there. I fixed it. There. Hood click. Customer states brand new tires. Check for nails. Low tire indicator. Let's see what we get. 22 pounds. Awesome. There we go. On to the next one. Let's see what we get here. I'm gonna go 23 pounds by the look of it. Let's see. Oh, I was wrong. 21 pounds. Let's try again. Oh no, too much. There we go. Okay, let's check the last one. I understand I only am going to do 3 because I already did one when you guys weren't looking. But that one was at 24, I think. Oh, it's my lucky day. The cap's missing. And what do we got? 0 pounds. That's not right. Ooh, that one's at 30. We got a winner. Let's go for 35, like it's supposed to be. Yay! Okay, seeing as how nobody escapes my nobody escapes my shop without a random act of kindness, we will have to find a new cap. I choose this one. So, you know, I said my shop. I think I should clarify. I don't actually own it, but I treat it like I own it. I know that's frowned upon from most employers, but not mine. They like that. All right, let's start the engine and recheck the tire warning indicator. It is on, it is off, and we're not worried about that today. All right, guys, I'm really gonna go this time. See you later. Thanks for watching. Peace. Backing out the auto. Customer states check for nails. Mechanic states check tire pressure more than once a year.